Alrighty, as I did the garden update the other day, the looked like the little radishes in there were just about ready. I actually got online last night and had a look, and I was supposed to probably pick them about a week or so ago, maybe even 2 weeks. Because I say when they're pushing up like that, when they're coming through the earth like that, it means they're ready. They're basically telling you they're ready to come out. So looks as though I had a little bug having a crack at that one, but that's okay. So I'll pull them all out, and as well as that, I read that you can eat the leaves as well. Yeah, not bad. So I'll pull the first one here out, and we'll get into the bucket and take it upstairs. Here she comes out. Oh yeah, quite a long root on that one too, so there we go. With the leaves on, we'll take them up too. Quite a big one. Let's see if we can get a couple more out here. I think that one might be... Yeah, I might take that one off. See how that goes. It's got a bit of a root on it too, so yeah. A bit more white in colour, that one. Not so much of the purpley colour, that's alright. I might leave that one, that's a bit small. I'll let that grow for a little bit, I think. Get a bit more colour. There's one or two other bigger ones here. I think that one was just about ready. Yeah, I'll take that out. There's quite a lot of leaf action happening with that one too, so. Let's see what else we've got here. This is a decent end product, so I might leave that one. They look a bit small, but that's quite a bit of leaf happening there, so. Oh yeah, that's a big one there. Looks like it should come out, I think, so. Oh, Jesus, yeah. It's definitely ready, I think. Yeah, I think they're a couple stuck together there. Just put the whole thing, but there we go. It's a couple of little ones there, but there's a lot of leaf action happening there, so it's quite odd. Yeah, we'll pull the lot out. Where'd that big bugger go? That's right. The good thing too is with all these leaves, you can whack them in like a salad or something. So even if the thing's a bit of a small one like that, we can whack the leaves in a salad. So should have got a bigger bowl. Far out. That's alright. Doesn't matter. Oh, there he is. That's what I was looking for. Yeah, decent size one, that one. Which might have been... yeah, see, that's been attacked by little snails or something. Oh yeah, tastes alright. It's been attacked by a big snail now. Really nice. I might pull that part out as well. That's sort of a bit funny. I might... What's there? Yeah, there's nothing there either. Put a lot out. No. I'll do. Throw these in the garden actually. Let's see if we've got any other big ones coming through. Not only that, this will free up a bit of space for some other ones to grow as well. A bit more sun to hit, so should be good. See what we've got over the back here. Anything in there? No. think that might be, I don't know if that might be the parsnip, I'm not sure. That plant at the back there, but yeah, don't think that's radish. I just can't remember what areas I planted the parsnip and what areas I put the radish, so I think they might all be radishes, these. So. Might leave those ones, I think. There's nothing much else there that I'll pull out. So, yeah. The carrots might be interesting. I might try and pull one of the really high growing things out and just see how they're looking. If I can get under one of these and just see what's on the bottom of that. Yeah, no, that's not quite big enough to be a carrot. Not quite big enough to take in, but yeah. Pull some of these out and see if we get any bigger ones. Oh, it says they're growing at least, so yeah. Probably want to get a little bit bigger than that, but yeah, I'll leave the carrots in, I think. Got that stuff over there so I can recycle it and bit of work. I'm not sure what on earth that is. I think that might be a weed, but I'll leave it just in case. And I think the beans here, it's got a little bit of a flower on it, so I'll leave that. Let that keep growing, and hopefully we'll get a nice beanstalk out of it. Beans or peas, whatever it was. Mum's passion fruit here is still growing, so yeah, I'll just see if we've got any bigger carrots on a couple of these. Oh, hang on, that might be oh no, that's another little carrot that's there, so yeah, throw that one over there. They have turned out reasonably fruitful. We'll I don't know if I'll pull that one out or not. I'll leave that for another so often to see what comes out of there. Leave that for another couple of weeks, I think. But I think this one might be the. Does that look like spinach to you? I cannot remember what I put where here, so that might be parsnip. I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, not picking and eating for today. I think I'll run those radishes upstairs, and we'll maybe whack them in a salad or something.